Hi guys, this is Noon. This is for our channel Cool Beans Couple on YouTube. Me and Cody put this work together. Today I would like to do some unboxing for you guys. If you're interested in, like me, the luxury item, the luxury handbags. Here we are. First up, I would like to show my Gucci belt bag, which is here. This is a called Ophidia Gucci belt bag, and I removed the tag earlier. It's here, and it's beautiful. It's a good size. I can fit my iPhone 11 Pro Max, and it's beautiful gold hardware. You can see here the Gucci stamp on the hardware here. Tiny Gucci hardware stamp. And here's the belt. The back of the bag is a belt bag, and this is the inside. It's so roomy as well, and it's a suede, so it's pretty soft, and it's made in Italy. Here's made in Italy. Okay, and come with the dust bag. Here's the dust bag. And the Gucci, very beautiful. Here, as I say, this is a Gucci dust bag, and it's beautiful. It is, I believe it's like a silk, I think so. Anyway, here's the bag. Of course, the Gucci signature, the green and the white, not the white, I'm sorry. Why I keep saying this? Alright, the green and the red strap, and it is a canvas. It's beautiful. I cannot wait to rock with this. So especially summertime, and hopefully me and Cody will go out a lot and do outdoor activities, and I can wear this either shopping, anything. So I have also purchased the Burberry. This is the dust bag. What do you think? I'm sure it will be a small bag. Everything's gonna be bags in this video. So this is the Burberry. It's beautiful. Look at this color. The color is so pretty. Kind of light green, if I say it right. Kind of pale light green. So here, Burberry London, and this I purchased this Burberry bag from a different website. Here's the tag and all the receipt and everything. Here is the Burberry tag, and this is called Jessie CH Lizard. So I am assuming this leather might be lizard, I think. The real lizard leather, or maybe the print of lizard. So again, this is the Burberry tag, as you see here, the tag. And then, yep, I am going to show you guys in a second. I know you guys will be like wondering, what is that? What's it gonna be, Again, here's that called the lizard thing, and of course the Burberry authentic thing here. And here's the Burberry care booklet, if I show it right, and this is how to care, all this there. So Burberry London thing. Okay, so let's put it back. Alright, here's the real thing. This is the receipt. Here's the bag. Look. It's so cute, I think. You think so? It's so cute. Look at this with the B, very small stamp. The B, look at this. B, I'm sure that means Burberry. Okay? So, yeah, this is so tiny. It's for credit card. It's like a credit card wallet with a chain. Okay, what we call. Look at this, beautiful. The red color, the black color with the gold hardware. So pretty. Let me show you inside. So here's like a three compartments here. Okay, you can put the cash. You can also, here's the bag, and here's the the compartment. So here's the front pocket. So you can put some cash, some receipt, or whatever. And here's this more. You can see inside. And here's saying Burberry stamp. You can see it. And then here's made in Italy, the tiny one, made in Italy. Can you see? Is a capture? Okay, made in Italy, and smell is, I feel like a lizard, the leather smell like a lizard. But anyway, so this here is the There's a two closure or snap closure. Snap closure. So here's the first one, and again, like I said, you can put some cash and any other stuff. And so let me close up. And so there's two. And look, how pretty is this? Look at this, so nice. And you can also remove this because it comes with this like a detachable, removable thing. But here's the thing. So I'm wearing today, of course, my Chanel. I gotta show you my Chanel as well, and my Chanel necklace. And this is the bag itself. See this? This is the bag. Okay, but I'll show you later when I with the stand up. I will post something. So yeah, and I love my nail. This is what I like, the black color. I love it. Okay, so now let's put this away and let me show you the third bag, which is for kind of duffel bag, if I say it right, duffel bag, weekend bag. So here's the thing, this is a Celine, this is a pre-lap one. It's not brand new, but it's a great condition. I think I've been inspecting anything, and everything is great. The smells good. And here's the gold hardware, stamped Celine. Can you guys see Celine is here? And of course, every hardware is showing here Celine. And then here, of course, Celine made in Italy as well. And then on the hardware, showing Celine Paris. So this bag I paid a really good price. And inside is pretty clean. The seller also sent me some notes, so I will show you. I'll read to you guys. And here's what the seller sent me with this purchase. So the seller sent me this letter saying that, it's kind of a thank you card, basically. So saying that here, hi Jess, okay, thank you for your purchase. I hope you like your new bag. Take care always and stay safe. Regards. So this is what she sent me. So this is so sweet. And so yeah, I like this bag. I cannot wait to use it as well, because as you know, 2020 is really tough year, but this year 2021, hopefully everybody has enjoyed their life with safe. Of course, we have to practice safety too. And yeah, I cannot wait to use this bag to do like a short trip, like a mini vacation thing or weekend vacation, stuff like that. And yeah, I really like this bag. It's a well-made Celine. It's been for a while. So it's a luxury brand, and I love this bag. I've been wanting this bag for so long, because some bag you don't have to baby it. Like something quality good bag, but you don't have to baby it. You just go with this, and this is really nice size too. So yeah, pretty much that's all I have for now. And then you can even store like this. It's almost like a Louis Vuitton bag, canvas, everything, well made. You can just carry like this. It's just well made. Because it's a high end Italian leather. So yeah, pretty much that's it. And I hope you like my new video. And we're going to post. Me and Cody is going to post more in the future. So please stay tuned for more videos to come, and have safe and fun, enjoy all of your life. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, just want to say hello. We just want to put out quality content that everyone can enjoy, and we're going to continue coming up with ideas. I think we have reaction videos on the horizon, because those are always fun. And yeah, just thank you for watching our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe and smash that like button, as they say.